Are you looking for a transfer-proof, smudge-proof, up to 12-hour wear lip tint that is also clean beauty and also super affordable? And you can pick it up at the drugstore. If you're like me and this sounds like a dream lip product, then just keep watching. Today I have here to swatch out and test 3 shades of these Maybelline Super Stay Teddy Tints. Now I just picked these up at Ulta. I saw the packaging and I just could not believe how adorable and how cute it is. It kind of has this bubble effect to the packaging, and so I couldn't resist picking 3 shades up. So I figured we would test these out today, see how they apply, see how they look on. There is 10 shades in this collection. Again, I got 3, and the 3 that I got are Current Mood, which is number 10, a light rosy nude. And then I also got Mascara Tear, which is a deep cool nude. And then I also got Skinny Dip, which is a mid-toned rosy nude. So if those sound like shades that you're interested in, if you have a complexion maybe similar to mine, then hopefully you can see if these lips will be a good match for you. Also, these are supposed to be, again, transfer proof, waterproof. People have said online that these actually will last and last for them truly up to 12 hours. So I'm really curious to see if that's true. But I've also read reviews online where some people said it dried their lips out. They were a more mature beauty, and she said that it dried her lips out. So let's go ahead and test these out and find out if that's true. So the first one that I have here, maybe we'll start with the lightest one, is actually number 10, Current Mood. So how cute is this packaging? I really can't get over it. It also does feel really good in your hand because it's kind of this, it's just a sort of lucite-esque material. It's, you know, it is plastic, but it does feel really nice. It looks very kind of modern style. So really love that. So let me just, you know, unscrew it and see. This is my first impressions. So it looks like it has a very nice size applicator. So let's go ahead and swatch it and see how this one comes out. This one is Current Mood. This is the light pinky nude. So they did say these are buildable, and it definitely does give a soft effect when I just applied. It does feel mousse-like on the lips. It feels very creamy. So it's beautiful, actually, very natural looking. It's definitely giving that blurred effect and very natural even in effect. These are matte finish, so it definitely is giving that matte finish, yet it feels very comfy on the lips. It feels actually very soothing. It doesn't feel dry whatsoever. I can't imagine that this would make your lips dry because it feels very moisturizing. Now, actually, you can also wear these as a blush as well. So they're saying that this is technically a lip and cheek tint. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And again, they said you could build it up. So the first application does come out pretty soft in the effect that it does give a blurred effect. It is a very soft color. Actually, that's where they got the name from, Teddy Tint, because these colors in the range are supposed to be very soft in the effect. This definitely did give a beautiful, soft, natural look. It is a more sheer tint as well. And it feels so good. Again, I can't imagine this would be that someone, because I was reading the reviews and someone said it dried their lips out. I can't imagine, but maybe after 12 hours, it would dry your lips out, because right now it just feels incredibly plush on the lips. It feels so good. And I'm just going to try it with a lip liner. So I just have here my L'Oreal lip liner. And so I'm just going to see how it looks when you just give a little definition to lips with a lip liner. It's so beautiful with the lip liner, especially if you're like me and I do love to use lip liner. People were saying that they like to wear this under a gloss even. I think this looks gorgeous as it is. I do have a gloss here though to test it out and see how it looks with a gloss, and let's see how it looks as a blush, because this is so beautiful. I really want to, I was wondering which shade I would try on my cheeks, but this is so beautiful. I do want to put it on my cheeks, so let me go ahead and grab it again. So let's see how it looks on the cheek. So again, this is Current Mood. Oh, it's gorgeous on the cheek. Wow, it's so, maybe you can see more on the cheek, but it's very nourishing. It's very even hydrating. It feels so good. I wonder if you could see how on the cheek it kind of gives that more radiant look to your skin, because it is, you know, it's giving juiciness to the skin. It feels moisturizing. It feels incredible. So I feel like when a product is like that on the cheek, it kind of just gives you that luminosity. I love how it gives, I feel like this looks very natural. So comfy on the lips. Again, very plush feeling. So let me just go ahead and blot it and see how it looks once you blot it. See how transfer proof it will be. Yeah, it's pretty transfer proof. They do say it takes about 10 minutes to dry down. So right now it feels still a little tacky. It doesn't feel like it's dried down completely, but it feels really good. Wow, I hope I can get this off actually. I didn't realize because they say these are transfer proof, so hopefully I can remove this. But here's how it looks when you kind of blot it, and yeah, I think it definitely is pretty transfer proof too. And you know, people have said that it really lasts up to 12 hours for them. It doesn't come off, say, on their coffee cup and things like that. So I definitely actually hope I can get it off, because it does, the more it's drying, it definitely, yeah, it definitely is becoming more and more transfer proof. So what do you beauties think of this shade? I absolutely love it. I can't wait to try the two other shades, which are a little bit deeper in tone. So we'll see what kind of effect we get then, but this feels incredible. It's totally weightless now. Now that it's dried down a little bit more, feels totally weightless. Feels like I have nothing on my lips. I feel like it plumped my lips up just in how the texture is so mousse-like. It does give your lips a soft, blurred effect. So actually I just wanted to also test this with lip gloss, because a lot of people said that they love wearing these under lip gloss. So I just wanted to see how it looks under lip gloss. So wow, that is beautiful. So I'm in shock. Oh my goodness, under lip gloss. How beautiful. This is, wow. This is actually Makeup Revolution glazed lip oil. This feels so good. And look at the glossiness, and look at, it's a very natural effect. I think this is so stunning. I'm in shock. So let me take this one off, and then I have two more for us to test out. So I'll be right back. So beauties, I'm back, and I have here the shade Skinny Dip. This is supposed to be a mid-tone rosy nude, so it does look a little deeper in tone. So let's go ahead and test this one out. So, oh, that's gorgeous. Wow, this is a really beautiful color. Maybe with this one you can see more actually, because it's a little deeper, but maybe you could see how plush it looks and how mousse-like, and how it just is so comfy on the lips. It feels so good. I'm really shocked because, again, I am one who reads all the reviews, and someone said, I can't imagine in a million years how this could leave your lips feeling dry. It feels so comfy and so conditioning on the lips. So I don't even feel like I need lip liner. I'll just put a little lip liner on because that's just my addiction. So let's see how it looks, just to give some more definition. But this actually really defines your lip line too. It totally fills in your lip line because it's very pigmented. So you just really get such a gorgeous effect. So what do you think of this shade? Again, this is Skinny Dip. I think it's so gorgeous. It's just a little deeper than Current Mood, the one that we previously tried. And, you know, it gives more life to your face, more vibrancy to your face, because it is a little bit deeper. I really feel like it makes my lips look plumper, because it really seems to me to be filling in all the crevices in my lip. My lips were dry and cracked, and I feel like this filled in the cracked and the dryness of my lips. So I feel like it made my lips actually look plumper. So let me go ahead and blot this though. And this is the effect once you blot it, and let's see, it does seem pretty transfer proof. There's really not any transfer coming off at this point in time, although again it does take about 15 minutes to completely dry. And here is how, again, I'll just reapply the lip liner just with the tint to see how it looks. Yeah, look at that. I'm sorry, but I think my lips look so much bigger, but there's no burning, there's no tingling feeling. It just seems to be just the pigments just making your lips look so much bigger and fuller. This is gorgeous. Right here, I'm addicted. This is the color right here that I like. The first one too. It's much more natural, but this one gives a little bit more life to your face. Let's pair it with that lip oil just to try it, because so many people said they love it under lip oil or lip gloss. So yes, that it is gorgeous under lip gloss too. I was reading online on Reddit how someone said that they put this on and it was on still the next day. I guess it didn't come off when they washed their face or whatnot, but they said it lasted till the next day. So this is stunning. I love this. I'm addicted. I actually was not sure about these. I just love the packaging. I thought I was just being a sucker for packaging, but no, I absolutely, wow. this is gorgeous. So they feel incredible. So, and I was well prepared to come after I was reading some people say it dried their lips out. That's why I actually said, let me warn the beauties, it might dry your lips out. I cannot see that happening. This feels so good. It feels so good on your lips. Okay, let me take this one off, and then I have one more to try out. So finally, beauties, I have mascara Tear, and now this is supposed to be a deep cool nude. So let's go ahead and test it out. This is a gorgeous color. I really love this, especially in the winter and, you know, this time of year. I think these kind of shades, these deeper shades, are so beautiful. This feels very comfy on the lips. Again, very plush, very mousse-like, creamy. Definitely you can build these up. So you might have seen the first time that I applied, especially with this shade, you can see it's sheer, and then you go in with another shade, another layer, and it will come out deeper and deeper as you layer it on. This is reminding me of the NARS Audacious colors. They came out with these really deep kind of colors. Only I have to say the NARS Audacious emphasized the cracked in my lips and the dryness and the fine lines in my lips. But this actually, I feel like these products, these Teddy Tints, I feel like they plump up the cracks and the crevices and the lines. So I don't feel like they emphasize the lines in my lips at all. So what do you beauties think of this shade? This would look beautiful with a deep lip liner. So I'm just going to take a little bit of a deeper lip liner just to see. So what do you beauties think of this shade? So I'm just going to blot my lips now just to see how it blots. This is actually super gorgeous once you blot it. It's actually my favorite. I can't believe it. Because I really usually prefer more lighter nude tones, but once you blot this, it's such a gorgeous shade. It makes your lips look so much bigger. Wow. So I'm just going to put the lip oil on just to see how it looks with the lip oil. Oh, that is so beautiful. Okay, I'm in love. I don't know which one I like best, actually. I think it's a toss-up. I'm not sure. I love them all. I could see myself using up every drop, every ounce of all three of these. This is so beautiful. And also very natural looking. Once you blot it, it gives a, you know, more of a daytime. It doesn't look too dramatic is what I'm saying. Like, it's not too much. It's not too dramatic. So actually, I forgot though. I wanted to test another one as a cheek tint. So this one is Current Mood, and then this one is Skinny Dip. This is the second one that we tried. Let's just try this as a cheek tint just to see how it looks. But here, look how easily these blend. I did have powder on my face, and this just blended over the powder like a dream. I'm just using my fingers, and these blend so easily. So I hope you can see, because it does the same thing to your lips. It just blends beautifully on your lips. So it's creamy. It's just soft and plush. Again, I keep saying blush, but there's no other word. It's super plush. It's very Teddy-like, very soft. And so you can blend it easily on your cheeks, even though I have so much powder on. I had on translucent powder, and I had on pressed powder, and I had on a blush powder. So these just blended beautifully over all of that powder and just gives your skin and your face just a beautiful luminous look. So beauties, those are all three of the Teddy Tints that I have to try out today. Let me know if you've tried these already. I know they were launched, I believe, in September, so you might have tried these already. It's my first time seeing them because they had kind of a beautiful display out in Ulta in the front of the store, so that's why they caught my eye tonight. But you probably have tried them already, or have you? Have you not? Let me know down below what you think of these. I also love, I didn't realize that Maybelline was clean beauty. At least these are. So they said it, you know, on the website. So I feel really good about that as well, because these go for about $12.99 at Ulta. So that's very affordably priced for a clean beauty product. So I'm very happy about that, because I do love to purchase as much clean beauty as possible. So these are clean beauty, affordable, and absolutely gorgeous. Definitely drugstore, better than high end. So I'm so happy that I picked these up tonight. And let me know if you love them as much as I do. Let me know if you'd like me to try more shades. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.